Hi there, I'm Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, and today I have a quick video for you guys because a lot of people ask me what the difference is between a condor and an iron condor spread, and the answer is pretty simple. I'm going to go over the key differences between them as well as a quick example from one of my recent positions. So let's dive right into it. The goal of both is really the same. Okay, we still want the stock to move between the short strikes. In an iron condor, we sell both a put spread and a call spread. So we've got something on both sides of the ledger, if you will. And, the idea, the goal is for stock to stay between the short put and short call strikes. Okay, that's an iron condor. Iron meaning that you're coming at it from both sides. Call side, put side. A regular condor is the same thing. It's still going to be 4 strikes. You're still going to have 2 short strikes in the middle, but they're all on one side of the ledger. Okay? In a regular condor, all options are either calls or puts. You would still have 4 options, like we do in the iron condor, and still want the stock to remain between the short options. So if I put both our condor, let's say our iron condor and our condor positions that we have right now, our snap iron condor, okay, is short the 71.69 put spread and short the 77.79 call spread. So we want the stock to be between 71 and 77. Okay, assuming we get filled on the VIX, okay? What we have here would be long 23.29 call spread and then short 37.5.40 call spread. So again, your middle strikes. Okay, your middle strikes, just like in the iron condor. What are the middle strikes there? The middle strikes are the 71 and the 77. Those are the inside strikes. Okay, well, it's really the same thing on this call condor. Call condor, excuse me. Okay, because our short strikes are the middle strikes. The 29 and the 37.5. So when you break it down like that, when you think of it, we still want the stock in the middle. Okay? So the ideal spot if we get filled in the VIX, the ideal spot there is between the 2 short options, which are the 29 and 35. Still in the middle. So that's the difference between the two. Okay, so I hope that cleared it up for you. If you have any further questions or suggestions of topics for me to cover in future videos, please leave them down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you get a notification every time a new video comes out. I'll see you guys in the next video.